Senator Cayetano.
I also have a set of questions sa PhilRem, but so that the flow will be more efficient, I will yield the time first to Tito Soto, to Senator Soto, then ask after. But with his indulgence, just to follow up and end with Mr. Agarado. Sir, sabi niyo po na pagtatagpi-tagpi niyo na stress, and I can imagine the situation you were in. No? But is there anything in your manual or in your rules that would have led you to make a call to your superiors, knowing that something fishy was happening already?
That time po, Your Honor, I was just stunned and shocked po. So,
yes, but that's not one day. That's one whole week. May get pa. So like, on the day that she looked at you and sinabi, stop order, she looked, wala ba sa manual nyo and anything that you have to call na and say to some of your superiors na, sir, ayaw i-stop ni ma'am to, ayaw man lang tignan?
wala po, Your Honor.
Mr. Tan, can you, or Attorney Marcel, can you, kasi we have the manual,
yes,
so we'll
Your Honor.
check.
Actually, there's, if there are orders, he was obliged to report to his immediate superior. He does not report
Which
to the
is
branch
who?
manager, to the, correct me if I'm wrong, deputy district service head.
And he didn't.
No.
Okay.
So
let me just give him that chance, Mr. Agarado.
Yes.
Why didn't you report it?
Because natakot na po ako sa sarili ko. And
No, but, I mean, were you in it? Let me just ask you very frankly, were you in it? At any point in time, inoperang ka ba at kasama ka ba sa...
No, Your Honor.
So, kanino ka takot?
takot lang po ako sa nangyari po na...
pero kung takot ka kasi sa nangyayari, isusumbong mo sa head. Pero hindi mo sinumbong sa head. So, kanino ka... I'm not saying you did anything wrong. I'm just trying to find out saan nanggaling, nahiya ka sa mga kasama mo kung isusumbong, baka mali ka, or... can you just, that's my final question sa just explain us to the circumstance. Ano na sa isip mo noon na you didn't follow the manual and go to your superior?
That time po, Your Honor, talaga lang po natakot ako at siguro na overcoming ng fears. At si manager kasi po, pag may mga minsan kasi may mga sinasabi siya na I don't know kung pwede kong iko.
Go ahead. Were you ever threatened also?
Yes. Sample ko lang po. The day when the auditors wala po yan. Okay lang. The day when the auditors went to the branch, February 12, I don't know if she take it just jokingly or what. Sinabi po siya na kasi that was supposedly Wednesday, dapat doon na yung auditors, or Thursday. Then Angela Torres told her na, ma'am, wala pa rin yung mga auditors. Ay, hindi, pinambangan ko na doon. Matipong ganun po, yung ganun po yung...
Doon nanggaling ang fear mo, na baka totoo or baka she's involved.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anyway,